Updated kitchen cabinets, new or dark stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors on the main, new carpet upstairs, wrought iron railing, and a new covered patio, fenced-in backyard, newer HVAC, WH replaced in 2016. This house is truly move-in ready. Great for entertaining family and guests both inside and out with a large covered patio off the sunroom. 4 bedrooms and a bonus room are upstairs. On the main level, there is an office, formal dining room, living room west/wood burning fireplace, large sunroom, kitchen, laundry, and 2-car garage. Gardener's delight with perennial flowers and fruit trees. Garden bed has been made ready for your spring planting. This neighborhood connects to 3 Greenway trails, making it easy to bike or walk to the Farragut Library, Turkey Creek Shopping and Movie Theater.